I am Madison Shake, and I have been attending Florence-Darlington Technical College for about 2 years now. I am currently enrolled in and have taken the previous 2 semesters of the welding course here at Tech. I like it because it's very hands-on. It leaves a lot of the work to you, and it's very much a self-guided course. You do have the hand of the instructor to pull you along and kind of tell you where you need to go, but a majority of the work is on you and your skill. Dual enrollment was a very interesting experience for me, and I would say it has to be one of the most educating and positive experiences I've ever had in my history of education, because it gave me the experience of a college student without the kind of like high school's constantly telling you, we're training you to go to college and you need to be college and career ready. It actually put me in that college environment, and it taught me the responsibility that comes with being a college student. And it also, I feel like, trained me to be able to handle the courses better, because while taking high school courses at the same time, I was doing dual enrollment and I was doing welding, and it taught me how to balance that kind of like almost work life. I graduated high school in 2023, and once I graduated, it put dual enrollment and the college courses I've taken into perspective. It was almost like seeing my life from an outside perspective of realizing like I am going to be independent from here on out, and I feel like it lessened the burden of graduating almost. A lot of people feel fear, confusion after they graduate. You don't really know where you're going. Dual enrollment points you in a direction. It gives you experiences with different colleges, and it lets you know which college you may want to attend in the future, and it trains you for the courses you may or may not be taking. I will be taking my last 2 semesters of welding through Tech and finalizing that chapter of my life and moving on to different programs, but I'm happy to have had this experience. Tech is super easy to work with and welcoming to new students, especially with their technical programs. I am Madison Shake, and I am a Florence-Darlington Technical College success story.